Hey, it's John from Addicted to Blaze. I'm going to do a Saturday night pocket dump carrying my Hank by zhanks. I'm carrying this card carrier. It's got some of my YouTube and Instagram cards in there. And I'm carrying my coin. This little leather pouch. Carrying my VPS Savage. A microtech Combat Trudon Bounty Hunter Hellhound Blade. My microtech Exo Set Bounty Hunter Tanto Blade. My custom made leather wallet. My 80 20.5 Shark's Foot full serrated blade. My leather slip with my lighter and my Booker bit plus pin. My Benchmade Freak. My Through Night little flashlight. My keys. And my Leatherman tool. Marble edition. Been carrying this thing for like 30 years or longer. Awesome tool. And that's it. That's my Saturday night carry. Thanks for watching.